Our chapter name is chapter number 6, importance of oceans. Now in this we are going to see why is that so much importance is there for the oceans, because many other things are there. So that we are going to see here. Now the main constituents of the hydrosphere and salt in the water. What all things constituents means the things which are related to the hydrosphere and water in the salt, that we are going to see. Now ocean, sea, rivers and their tributaries, lakes, reservoirs and groundwaters are the main constituents of the hydrosphere. Children, hydrosphere is called as water. Okay, as we are having atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and many 5 spheres are there. So similarly, hydrospheres means which is related to the water. So these are the things which are constituents, which from where we are getting the water. Okay, that is ocean, seas, river, their tributaries, lakes, and are the reservoirs of groundwater. This you know, ocean, seas, rivers में से जो नदी आती है means that is called their tributaries. Okay, then lakes are there, many lakes are there near to us also. Reservoirs is like well. Okay, well ho gaya. Groundwater means the hand pump from where we are getting the water. So these are the constituent of the hydrosphere. Okay, in drinking water the proportion of salt is very quite low. Now the drinking water, the water which we are drinking, what we are doing is we are having the less quality of salt in that, because there is a process of doing the clearance from the ocean water. We'll see further ahead about this, about how we used to get a proper drinking water, and where the salt goes, that all things we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, water from oceans and sea has a great amount of salt. The seas or the oceans are having the salty taste. Okay, why it is having a salty taste? Okay, when we have ever been to the beaches. Okay, beaches gaye hain, so what we have seen there, the sandy. Okay, sand we have seen. In that sand, children, you must have seen some white color. Sand is of brown color or something brownish color, but that what is white color is mixed in that, that is the salt. So this is what is there, or what we see is near the ocean is the amount of salt which we see, and we feel that taste. When the water of that ocean comes to us, we feel it's a taste is salty. Why its taste is so salty? Because the salt isn't mixed in that water by nature, children. Okay, by nature, naturally. Next we are going to see, now in this, children, in this picture you can see the sources of the water, that is well, then water reservoirs you can see, that is the dams and all, then rivers, and then glaciers are there, lakes are there. These are the natural available sources of water, naturally built, not man-made built. Okay, this hand pump and all has been made by the man, the tap. Okay, these are being made by the man, but these are the things which are naturally we have got. Okay, now the causes of increasing in the level of the salt minerals in the ocean water, what are the causes कि क्या causes है, क्या reasons है that this level we are getting so much salt or minerals from the ocean itself, where we are not getting from any other sources. Why we are not getting from the plants, why we are not getting from the animals the salt or the minerals? Okay, this is just an example I am putting in front of you. So the remains of aquatic life, the aquatic animals, the remains of there, that is there, then the trees, and the bushes flowing with the river water. Now ye trees jo they breaks and they comes along with the river. Okay, when the glaciers melt, what happens, the things comes to the ocean itself. Okay, जब भी कोई भी glacier, we are having many mountains which are having the snows, तो वो जब मेल्ट होते हैं तो इट्स यूज टू कम्स डाउन with the help of the river water, and they gets deposited, they decomposed in the oceans. कहाँ आते हैं वो? They comes to the oceans, and they releasing various mineral salts in the ocean water. They are bringing these mineral salts along with it. Okay, and also they are bringing the many soils also, because river is not passing from one area, it is coming from so far. The snow melts and it comes from so far, so they collect, they that river brings all these things along with that. That is the trees, the bushes, and many other things like soil I said, then many minerals it brings along, and it deposited in the ocean. ये सब कहाँ जमा हो जाता है? In the ocean water. Now the volcanic eruptions taking place in the oceans result in added adding of different minerals, ashes, salts, gases to the ocean water. Now this volcanic eruption is there. Volcano, everyone knows. Yes, when it's blast, all these things comes out. That is minerals, ashes, salt, gases. ये सब भी एक island में होता है, but उसका सब everything used to come where? To the ocean. Now because islands are covered with the oceans, so that is why all these volcanoes, from that we used to get the mineral, ashes, salt, and the gases. Next is due to continuous evaporation of ocean water, the proportion of salt increase. This is what I was about to explain you in the first slide. Due to the continuous evaporation, now everyone knows about the water cycle. The water cycle ka what is the procedure is, the water will get evaporated by the sea, by the ocean. Okay, and then it will goes to the cloud, and then it will form a cloud, and then the rain will comes down, right? This is the process of a water cycle. Similarly, what is happening because of the continuous evaporation? Okay, the proportion of salt is increasing. Pay attention, all of you all. Yes, next one, salinity of ocean water. What is salinity? That we are going to see. Salinity means saltiness. Okay, salinity means saltiness of the ocean water. Now we wanted to know why it's so salty, that we have seen because of what reason. Salinity of ocean water is expressed in terms of mils. Okay, that is particles per thousand. How we write per thousand is this the simple. Okay, मिल्स को हम लोग कैसे यूज करते हैं? पार्टिकल्स पर थाउजेंड. ओके, द एवरेज सैलिनिटी ऑफ ओशन वाटर इज 35% per thousand particles per thousand. Okay, ocean salinity means so much saltiness is there. Okay, next is the Dead Sea. Now children, this picture is of Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, known to have the maximum salinity. Its salinity is 332 particles per thousand. Can you see this white surface near the ocean in the picture? This is the Dead Sea, children. So now in this you can see how much proportion of salt is present in this. Next is salt pans and salt and other minerals. How we collect all this salt from this ocean and other minerals also from this ocean that we are going to see. Now, salt as a substance is obtained for consuming salt pans in the coastal areas. Now, in the coastal areas, we will be having coastal areas. We must have seen these salt pans. Small, you can see in this picture also. A small groups of the place. Okay, it's like a bunches of the pan everyone knows na, frying pan type kind of you can see in this picture. So like that it has been made near the coastal areas may where the sea or the ocean is nearby. There only we can make this. Okay, salt is an item in our diet. Salt we use in our daily diet, right, for eating purpose. Like salt, many other minerals like phosphorate, sulfates, iodine, etc. are obtained from the sea. That is why children in the salt we are having many different kinds of salt. We have black salt, pink salt, or we have got iodine salt. Now we are having in that iodine. So these all things are being collected or obtained from the sea. We are getting from the sea. Next,